Welcome to the video guys, hope you are fine. In this video you will learn about the signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is the direly needed vitamin that impacts your body health directly. Vitamin D deficiency is common among those people who live in those areas where there is not enough exposure to sunlight, or they are working in offices and have very subtle exposure to the sunlight. The source of vitamin D is the sunlight. Your body makes it from cholesterol when your skin exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D also found in fatty fish and fortified dairy products. Most people can't realize the deficiency signs and symptoms of vitamin D that are very subtle at the earliest stage. We can't even feel if they are having a significant adverse effect on your quality of life. Dear viewers, this video will tell you about the signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Let's get started. Number 1. Low back pain. Vitamin D maintains bone health with the process of absorption of calcium, an element of bone. Bone pain and low back pain is also signs of vitamin D deficiency. Observational studies have found a vital relationship between vitamin D and chronic lower back pain. The researchers found that those with low on vitamin D were more likely to have back pain, including severe back pain that limited their daily activities. People with low vitamin D experienced bone pain in their legs, ribs, or joints as well. Thus, vitamin D is the contributing factor to bone pain and lower back pain. Number 2. Excessive fatigue and tiredness. According to a study, a woman who complained of chronic daytime fatigue and headaches found to have a vitamin D deficiency in her blood up to a level of only 5.9, which is very low, as anything under 20 is considered deficient. Now the woman has given a vitamin D supplement and then their level increased to 39 and her symptoms resolved. However, even blood levels that aren't extremely low may harm your energy levels. Another observational study in female nurses found a strong connection between low vitamin D levels and self-reported fatigue. The researchers found that 89% of the nurses were deficient in vitamin D. Thus, excessive fatigue and tiredness may be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. You can soak more sunlight or can take supplements to improve energy levels. Number 3. Stress and depression. In the review studies, the researchers have found a link between vitamin D deficiency and depression, specifically in older adults. In one analysis, 65% of the observational studies found a relationship between low blood levels and depression. Some controlled studies have shown that giving vitamin D to deficient people helps improve depression. Thus, depression is associated with low vitamin D levels, and some studies have found that supplementing improves mood. Number 4. Slow wound healing. Slow healing of wounds after surgery or injury may be a sign and symptom that have a deficiency of vitamin D in your blood. Here is a reference of results from a test tube study suggests that the vitamin increases the production of compounds that are crucial for forming new skin as part of the wound healing process. One study on people who had dental surgery found that healing process were affected by vitamin D deficiency. One analysis conducted on patients with diabetic foot infection shows that those with severe vitamin D deficiency were more likely to have higher levels of inflammatory markers that can jeopardize the healing process. Thus, inadequate vitamin D levels may lead to poor wound healing following surgery, injury, or infection. Number 5. Loss of hair. According to a study, hair loss in women has linked to low vitamin D levels. Alopecia areata is a hair loss issue. It is associated with rickets, a disease that causes soft bones in children due to vitamin D deficiency. One study in people with alopecia areata showed that low vitamin D blood levels tended to be associated with a more severe hair loss. In a case study, topical application of a synthetic form of the vitamin found to successfully treat hair loss in a young boy with a defect in the vitamin D receptor. Many other foods and nutrients may affect the health of your hair. Thus, hair loss may be a sign of vitamin D deficiency in female, pattern hair loss, or the autoimmune condition alopecia areata. Number 6. Pain in the muscle. Evidence found that vitamin D deficiency may be a cause of muscle pain in children and adults. According to a study, 71% of people with chronic pain found to be deficient in vitamin D. The vitamin D receptor is present in nerve cells called nociceptors, which sense pain. One study in 120 children with vitamin D deficiency who had chronic pains found that a single dose of the vitamin reduced pain scores by an average of 57%. Hence, a link between chronic pain and low blood levels of vitamin D may be due to the interaction between the vitamin and pain-sensing nerve cells. A natural fix is there. Increase your sun exposure. Eat more vitamin D-rich foods, such as fatty fish or fortified dairy products.